Hey y'all, welcome back to Deep Fried Annie. Today we're going to fry some Oreos. We start by making a really basic pancake batter. Just whisk up your dry ingredients and wet ingredients separately and then get them combined together. It's just flour, sugar, salt, milk, eggs, oil, baking powder. I think that's everything. Recipe is on deepfriedannie.com, of course. Now you want to make sure your oil is the right temperature, so I test it by taking a bit of the batter and sticking it in the oil. It should start to bubble rapidly after about a second. If it's too rapid, it's too hot. If it doesn't bubble, it's too cold. Stabbing my Oreo through the cream with a fork is, for me, the easiest way to dip and fry them. So I let almost all of the excess batter drip off, but I do make sure that it's very evenly coated. And I also want to make sure that the coating is thick enough where I can't really make out the indentations on the Oreo cookie. That's the sweet spot for me of getting a light and airy breading rather than, feeling like I'm biting into an Oreo burger because it's got, so much batter on the outside. And as you can see, I just use a second fork to slide it off into the oil. Those two are stuck together. I'm going to separate them. You don't want to let your Oreos stick together. And you also want to remove any little bits of pancake batter that are in the oil. The Oreo crumbs are going to make this oil a bit dirty. There's nothing you can do about that. But I like to try to keep it clean as long as I can. I cook my Oreos for about 5 minutes each total. Sometimes it's a little longer, sometimes a little shorter. I go more for a color than anything else. The pancake batter is thin enough where it's going to get done. You don't have to worry about that. It's more of a color thing. Once all of your Oreos are fried and drained, you're going to dust them in powdered sugar. You can serve them with sauces and things like that if you like, and I go into detail with some options in the recipe post, but I like to smother these bitches like they're beignets. And voila, there you have it, fried Oreos. My recipe makes enough for an entire package of Oreos because why not? Thank you for watching. Of course, I appreciate you spending a few minutes of your day with me as always. Have a good one. Bye.